Hey, what's going on, guys? Ryan DePaul here. So in this video, what we'll be going over is basically a good way to make some money for the holidays and to get started off right for the new year. And I'm going to show you how to do that with Nowsite. You may have seen me talk about this company a couple of times in the past. If you are not new to my channel, if you are, hey, well, you're in for a treat. So this month, they're actually doing a great promotion, and we're about to dive right into that one and tell you all about it. So Nowsite is doing a promotion called 27 Days of Christmas. So for December, they actually decided to, hey, let's give back. Let's do a nice little promotion. They're actually doing two promotions, but I'm going to talk about one of the main ones this time is about how to make some extra money, some instant money at that. So if you are familiar with maybe an affiliate program, this will be great for you. If you are easily can not recruit, but refer. I want to say refer, not recruit. Refer people to this platform. You can make some money. But here's the thing: you do have to be a part of the platform, be using the platform to be able to refer people to this platform. Because you don't want to refer something that you don't know anything about, that you never tried. You want to give your good, honest feedback, saying, "Hey, I've tried this. You guys might want to try this out." And Nowsite will show their appreciation and actually send you a little kickback. So more about this promotion. Like I said, they actually have two promotions going on. One is actually a half off. I did a video about that earlier. And it's they're doing 50% off. You need a promo code for that one. So if you are interested in that, hit me up. I'll get that for you. You can comment or text me or call me. My number's in the description below. So, but this promotion, what we're talking about is the 27 Days of Christmas. This is the Christmas bonus, cash bonus. So as you can see right here, this is just for Nowsite Marketing. And you can actually get $100 bonus cash daily to the top recruiter, referrer, whatever you want to call it. Bonus cash will be paid via PayPal. Awesome. So there are some qualifications to this. So first qualification is you have to get two daily sales to qualify. So basically you have to basically have to sign up to people for that in that day, because these payouts are daily. They have already had, I believe, 5 payouts. No, it's been a week of payouts so far, and it's nice. It's lovely because people have been winning, getting an instant $100 cash right then and there, and it's who doesn't want an extra $100? Extra $100 in their pocket right now during the holidays, because we're all spending money. Most of us are all spending money, or even penny pinching, so we can actually have a nice Christmas. A lot of people who could be unemployed still, just pulling it together just to make it by. So here's a chance for you to take advantage of that, to make some extra cash. It's pretty simple because actually the system sells itself almost. You actually can use the system to sell and to tell people about it. So I've been using it for about 3 years, almost 4 years actually. So some more about this is that qualifications is if more than one winner wins, the result they'll split it obviously. So if it's like a tie, they'll split that the $100 bonus for the day. So they have something $19 done for you, and $43.50 promo sales do count for this. That's awesome because if you don't know about the done for you promos, done for you, what's it called? Done for you marketing campaigns. Woo! Lost that. Wow, that's crazy. Done for you marketing campaigns are cool. So those are something that you can actually capitalize on too with this promotion. And the $43.50 promo, that's what I was talking about earlier. That's the you need a promo code to get that. And if you are interested in that, please let me know. But those count towards this competition too. So it's great. That actually makes it more affordable. The reason why that's such a important number and important thing to know is because the original price for the Entrepreneur Pack for Nowsite is actually $87. $87 a month. It's there's no contracts, no fees to cancel like that, but it's $87 a month. But that's why they're doing two promotions. One is 50% off, and this one is to make some extra money for people who are affiliates or customers that can actually refer people to. And it's only for this month. Customers can only refer people for this month and get paid for doing so. After December, they're cutting that off. So that's only for customers. If you're a customer and affiliate, then you'll be able to do that. So continuously. Hope I didn't confuse anybody about that. If you have any questions about that, comment or hit me up about that, and we can talk more about that and go into detail. So also you can win up to 3 times a week. So that's nice. So because we have some great people who are salespeople that's in Nowsite. We have some amazing people who are just like top marketers and just been doing this for some time, has a big team. But they want to make sure that this is equal and fair for everyone, so that somebody's not just winning every day, or the same person isn't just winning over and over and over. You can only win 3 times a week. So that's awesome. So that means like, hey, so if one person wins 3 times, they can't win again for the rest of that week. So you still have 4 other days you can win out that week. So that's nice. That's very nice. So you still get a piece of the pie. You get that action to make some extra money. So this is awesome. Just the payout. There's more to it too. There's multiple ways you can get paid too. This $100 cash bonus is a nice way. But then you can get the fast start payout if you are an affiliate. That's $20 on top of each person that signs up for it. So if you're looking to make some money, guys, this is an awesome way to do so for the holidays. If you're looking to make some money after the holidays, this is still some awesome ways to do this after the holidays. Granted, the $100 kind of bonus will not be there, but there's still a lot of money on the table that Nowsite gives out. So who knows? They might actually do something else. So yeah. So this actually we'll go over the time frame. So week 1 is it's already passed. I think it was this past. We're in week 1 right now. It's ends on the 13th. This video is being shot on the 12th. So week 2 will be from the December 14th through December 20th. Week 3 will be December 21st to the 27th. Week 4 will be the 28th to the 31st. It ends December 31st at 11:59 Eastern Standard Time. You have to understand that. I am on the West Coast, so I'm Pacific Standard Time. So that for me, that would be 9 o'clock. 9 p.m. for me. If you're on the East Coast, that's almost midnight. So actually, it's not even 9 p.m. It's 8:59 p.m. for me on Pacific Standard Time. So you gotta know your time zones. And yeah, so it's an amazing opportunity, guys. And like I said, this is one of the best things that you can actually refer to somebody. If you have a business owner in your life, if you have an entrepreneur in your life, if you have somebody who just want to help out and like, hey, I don't think they know how to market, or yourself, you don't know how to market, use a platform. You can get this platform right now for $43.50, and you don't have to pay full price, and you can get locked into that one. That's what the promo code is. Like I said, I gotta let you know what the promo code is, and you can go from there. But guys, this is amazing, and you don't want to miss out. So don't wait around. Get on it. Hit me up. Like I said, my phone number is in the description below. You can comment below, or you can make a call, text, either or. I'll answer. That's my direct line. People do it all the time. They hit me up and say, hey, is this real? Hey, I got some questions about this before I get going. And they love it. I got people who are loving this. They love being able to extra little cash. I got business owners like, hey, I'm not really looking to push this as a business, but if I know somebody, hey, I'll tell them about it. And they actually are shocked when they actually get that extra little pop in their bank account or their PayPal account. So they're like, oh, it was that simple. Great. That's how I got involved with telling people about this, is that I was using it for my own business. I was using it to promote other brands and things like that. And then people just ask me, hey, how'd you do this? How isn't it hard? Can you do it for me? I say, hey, here's a link. Go check it out. They signed up. Nowsite says, thank you. Thank you for helping us out. Thank you for spreading the word. Here's our let us show you our appreciation, and they pay you out. So that's all it is. You're referring, tell people about it, tell people what kind of value you're getting from the platform, and if you like it or not. Plain and simple. Not that hard, right? Anybody can do it, so why not you? because I'm doing it, and a lot of other people are doing it, and they're being successful. They're actually taking their own life in their own hands and making some changes to make some money. So if this sounds like you, contact me, hit me up. We can get you going. I can I'll show you how to do it. We have a whole team. We have a community that helps each other out. We have a lot of people that just are basically iron sharpening iron and helping each other be successful in multiple ways, not just with Nowsite, but in any business and anything they're doing, being very successful. So hopefully you got some value from this video. And if you did, great. If you didn't, hey, pass it to somebody else. Maybe they'll get the value from it. But if you are interested, you want some more information, please comment below or give me a call, text me. My number's in the description. Also, if you haven't yet and you like the kind of content I'm putting out there, please hit that big red button below. Yep, that subscribe button. And right next to it is a little bell. Click that bell, hit the all, and anytime I put out a new video or new content, YouTube will send you a notification saying, hey, Ryan DePaul just put out a new video. You liked this last one, so you might want to check out this new one because it's going to be fire. So with that, guys, I'm going to end this video. So until the next one, take care, be safe, and be blessed.